So can you actually prove that you have whiplash? Short answer is yes, absolutely. But keep in mind, it's not you necessarily who's going to prove it, it's your doctors. Your doctors are going to render medical opinions based on their observations and treatment of you over the course of your treatment with them. They're not only going to rely on what are known as your subjective pain complaints, they're also going to take into account their personal observations of you, their examinations of you, and probably most importantly in a whiplash case, the results of the MRIs. Whiplash injuries, whiplash is a very general term that can mean a number of things, but typically, in my experience, what whiplash means is what we call soft tissue injuries, muscle sprain, strain type of injuries. A lot of times it'll include certain less severe disc injuries like bulging discs, sometimes protruding discs. I think it's probably pretty accepted that cases transition from a simple whiplash injury case to a more serious case depending on the objective findings on MRIs. And if an MRI demonstrates other types of disc injuries, such as herniated discs, annular tears, other more serious types of disc injuries, then it sort of no longer falls under the umbrella of whiplash. But whiplash, I guess, can mean different things to different people. It's not really a medical term. It's more of a layperson term that we hear about. But absolutely, whiplash can be proven. Doctors prove it all the time. Our responsibility is to prove it for our clients. And I like to think we've become pretty effective of doing it over decades of doing it and handling thousands of car accident and other types of accidents where people have sustained whiplash, soft tissue type injuries. They're real injuries, it's real pain, and according to many doctors, it can result in permanent limitations. So, hope that answers some of your questions. If it didn't, I'm happy to speak with you further about it at 1-800-TRIAL-PRO, or you can chat with us through our website at trialpro.com.